Hi, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Electrical Installation Triple E. Well, today we're gonna do some continual work on this building. It's been a while. I've done 2 videos on this before where I was piping the ground and when they were casting concrete in it. But now we're gonna actually installing the boxes and so forth into it. These boxes and piping it. But yeah, if you're new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so whenever time we have new videos coming out, you always be up to date and be aware. Live videos, etc. But yeah, this project right here, as I said before in the first video, if it was down to me, I wouldn't do it in piping, I would do it in flex conduit. But it's, as I said before, the owner for this place is actually, he own hardware, so he want to use his materials and he want to use his stuffs. So we're just working with what we got and we're gonna make it to the best of in the best possible way we can. Actually, the end result gonna be like the same, where if it was flex conduit with the boxes and so forth, you would actually see it just as it is, where they would run the drywall and so forth and we cover it and it will look just the same. So it's also actually gonna be the same. It's just that there are disadvantage and advantage. Doing it this way with piping and so forth, the advantage that it has is in case you want to add another circuit anywhere, you can actually fish it through pipe that already have wires in it and you can get another circuit. That is a big advantage. With the flex conduit, you're not going to be able to. You have to actually remove the drywall. So that is the advantage that the piping has over the flex conduit. With the flex conduit now, it would make it easier for me. It's like 1, 2, 3. It's like boom, just start screw up and everything like that. With this now, with the piping, the disadvantage is the timing. Like for instance, I'm gonna have to have boards like these run across each. I have to run boards across to mount the boxes onto them. Make it look like this. So we have to use up a lot of materials in terms of board. We have to use up a lot, but for me it's no big deal because it's not my expense. But yeah, we have to use up a lot of boards to get the boxes onto them, because we don't have the boxes where we have the holder right here. Actually, you can see we have to use the screws holes right here to actually mount our boxes. We don't have the hangers right here. If we did have the hangers right here, then it would be much easier. It actually could do something like this, where you could just screw it on it like this. But because we don't have the those type of materials, so it seems a little bit difficult. But we can make it easy. It's just our thing. We just have to just do the work to the best we can. But that is the disadvantage with this. We're gonna use a lot of boards to run across to mount our boxes on. So stay tuned. The Wi-Fi.
Different size standby. And up here, yes, man.
that my phone number.
Don't worry, man. Get to the top.
Not really. I'm not gonna school in now. So guys, as you can see guys, we have two Walkman box right here. One gonna be for lights, which gonna be recessed lights. This one gonna be for ceiling fan. We also gonna have AC units in here as well, but we have an option. If you notice, come down further with this one. Why it doesn't matter. I think we can use long screws to reach it, but I want this board actually to be on top instead of being in the middle right here. I think it's much more firmer if it's right here. So in case the ceiling fan can hold right here and hold properly. So even if the drywall, so you can see, we still can get to it. So we can use longer screws to screw or things right here and so forth. Guys, whenever time you run these conduits into these board, always strap them to hold it firm and always tangent them, because you don't want when you're fishing the fish wire into the pipe, it can easily push it right here and then you get loose, then you have to pull down the whole drywall. So the safest way is to tangent them and also to strap them. You don't have to strap it everywhere, but you have to tangent it so the fish wire, the fish tape don't push it through and through the coupling and opening up or through the ends right here. So make sure these are all tangent so you keep firm and stay steady. I have to tell you guys, this is really hard. It's taking a lot, to be honest. It may look simple, but it's not easy. The flex conduit would have much easier. But I said this only have one good advantage, which is if I need to add multiple circuits, another circuit, I can easily pull it through. This right here is just to feed right over there. I'm gonna put another set of plugs over there. So this is the reason why I run this. These are the mains that coming in from the panel, and this will link somewhere else over there. But it's really hard. It's not that easy. But the boss man have to do. I'm pretty much charging for it, so don't mind. Get used to it.